Hello, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make this acorn ornament. So in your bag, you're going to get a plastic disc, a handful of golden acorn caps, an ornament hook, and a little ribbon. Now your little ribbon is going to have a little bit of like a twisty tie thing there. I would recommend you kind of just scrunch it all up in the back like that, and you can use that as a way to also put it onto the plastic disc. Only because if you take it off, if you were to cut it off, it might undo the entire ribbon. So I would definitely just scrunch it up that way. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put a hole in the plastic disc, then that'll be the top of the ornament, and this hole is going to be used for the ornament hook. We'll use that for later. And then so now you're just gonna go ahead and arrange the acorn caps, keeping in mind wherever you place the hole. And I would just go ahead and, give it an arrangement first, just to make sure everything fits nicely. If you have an extra cap, that's fine. If you don't have enough caps, that's okay too. You might want to spread it out, but that's why we're gonna test out to see if we have enough of everything first. And so I'll have one extra cap, and I can put that aside for something else. Alrighty, so once you have it situated in a way that you like, you can go ahead and start gluing down the acorn caps. So a good way to do this is to put glue on the sides here. We're gonna just go ahead and put it down. And then you're just gonna continue that all the way around. Okay, once you have all of the acorns down, you're gonna go ahead and remember to find the hole to make sure that the hole is still available and easily accessible by the ornament hook. At this point, I would say go ahead and close up the ornament hook just so you know where the top is, just a little squeeze there. And then you're gonna go ahead and place the ribbon right in the center. So just put a little hot glue, then put them right in the middle, and then you'll go ahead and wait for it to dry up. Then you will have your very own ornament. I would suggest that you keep the tops, the little stems on top of the acorn caps. It makes it so much easier when you're handling it to place them. You don't have to. If you don't like that look, you can go ahead and get rid of them, just like this one. But I will say that I did find it easier to have these as a little handle when I placed the acorn caps. So there's your very own golden acorn ornament.